Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are so excited because we have a big box from Kozan.
Welcome lovelies. Well, we're all set to open this Pandora box because I don't know what's in it. So I'm very curious.
Good saying. Yeah, Pandora box.
Exactly.
Ooh.
Ooh.
It is exciting.
We have such a good time in the boutique, although it's a lot of work for the girls and everybody, but it's the excitement of new pieces, and the one piece is more beautiful than the other, really. But before we open this box, the Pandora box, let's talk about our outfits, because this is very out of my box, talk about a box, this outfit, but I feel very good in it, and I think it looks great.
Absolutely.
And it just shows how versatile this turtleneck is.
Yes.
It's not just a turtleneck to layer, it's a beautiful long over the hip top, and the fabric, it just fits you so nice. It doesn't hug anywhere, it doesn't show anything.
It's so nice.
The cut is just perfect, and then the length is beautiful, and then I have of course this gorgeous Karen belt to break it up a little. Lovely. This turtleneck I'm wearing a size extra small from Known. It comes in three other beautiful colors. We have a gorgeous red, a green, and a black. And
well, the black is the flamingo.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, the black is the flamingo sleeve, so we'll also show a picture of it. It's a turtleneck style as well, a little bit different neckline. But the three turtlenecks that we have in that style are the red and the green.
The black is the flamingo, which I can't wait to style one of these days.
I know, it's fabulous.
It's beautiful, eh?
Yeah, I wore it in a video the other day.
I
And
saw you in
amazing.
it. Yeah.
It's so cool.
And it's just that look, that edgy little sleeve detail.
But with the top, Lousje's like so right. The fit of it, ladies, is perfect because it's a turtleneck, but it's not like, you know,
and
you
it's
don't
not
feel
on your neck either. It just hangs nicely.
Yeah, it's a
gorgeous
beautiful
fabric.
fitting top. Yeah, beautiful fabric. And then the Emmy pants
and
the
then
French terry.
Emmy pant that we brought back from quite a few years ago. Black and navy. So again, I'm wearing an extra small. It's got the famous Lousje and Bean band. And it's cut straight, so it's got a nice hang to it because of the fabric, right? The black French terry.
But cozy for the winter, hey?
Cozy winter, beautiful washable.
Yeah.
It will keep the color forever. And my jewelry, of course, Siska, beautiful little danglies. And this always does the trick, right?
I know, that stone.
Gorgeous bling bling. And then the bling bling comes back in this bracelet.
But we're not bling blingers, but we do love this.
Yeah, but this is so subdued, right?
Yeah, Siriglio, beautiful.
And this is, of course, Siriglio,
yeah. And then the Karen belt, love that
Yes.
Patch. Beautiful. We did restock the black ladies.
I'm wearing a small. It comes in extra small, and then there's two sizes in the medium, two sizes in the large. Yeah. So easy because you can, if I want to wear it up higher in my waist, I just adjust the domes, and if I want it lower yet on my hips, it's like lots of possibilities with this belt. That's why we like it so much, and that's why you like it too. My goodness, we've restocked this
so many times.
So many times. Thank you, Karen.
And it's such a great price point. I believe it's $99.
Yeah.
Canadian made leather.
Yeah, beautiful leather.
Karen in Toronto.
And gorgeous hardware.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous hardware.
At Lousje and Bean.
Exactly.
We have many staples at Lousje and Bean.
We do. I like that.
I have a staple on right now.
Hello. Yeah.
I have on our tank dress from Lousje and Bean. This is the summer navy, gorgeous ladies. And then I paired it up with our Jack sweater.
How cute is that, Tessa?
I know. The navies are working well together. And then I wanted to pick purple Ayala to pick up the purple.
Yeah.
We have this in another color too, a lighter blue on the navy. And then I just thought an angel drop. The scarf comes with the sweater, ladies. That's me and Lousje's design, and we always love that you can have the textures and to have that piece match it. So that's like the perfect. And then pockets here. It's such a fun top.
And as you can see with the stripes always work so well, like here, length.
Yeah, this way.
And then the scarf adds another, whole dimension. Yeah.
Yeah, but I wanted to put the angel drop just to give it an elongated look. But
and we've got beautiful angel necklaces, a new drop.
Yeah.
I really like
them. You see a new
them.
one every day.
Yeah. We do.
Okay, let's get into this
I like
box.
your nail polish too, by the way.
Thank you.
I love that color. I had my nails done the other day, and I thought, should I go? No, I still keep the summer color.
Love it.
Next time, I'm
Next
picking
time.
another one.
Charcoal too is a nice one.
It's true, eh?
Oh, yeah, I can't wait to get into that.
What? Well, would you be upset if I get it too?
No.
Okay,
no.
because I think I had it last winter.
Yeah. No,
But
charcoal's a great one.
It makes a statement.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So Kozan, ladies, is made in Istanbul. It is a couple, and they design and make it. So as you know, we are very big on supporting family-run companies and ethically very sound companies. So this is one of them.
And the product is
beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. It's funky. Fabrics are amazing.
Yeah.
And price point is good for what it is. Absolutely.
Sewermanship, fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
So last year we had a beautiful like eggplant color. I gotta hide the box from you, lovely, so you can't see what's going on in here. But this year I picked 2 new colors that we are gonna work with this fabric. I don't know if you remember how dynamite this fabric was.
Yes. Oh, Tessa.
So this is a little vest, and it
my
is in a golden fabric, it is called.
Yeah.
And it's very iridescent with black.
This has got some weight to it.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels amazing.
It's gorgeous.
It's
and
amazing.
the collar here, you can manipulate, ladies, so you can play with
yeah, I
how
love
you
that.
want it to.
Love that.
We'll play with that tomorrow. Me and Lousje are going to be here to style it up for you. So you can see it on.
I can't wait.
I know.
And there's, of course, a bottom.
So look at that.
Oh my.
It's so beautiful.
I would
Again, on the black tone.
I would be hard pressed to pick.
Yeah, either color would look
Either
stunning
color,
on either of us, right?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. There also is a jacket in the golden. And we had this style last year.
Yes.
This is called the Turo jacket. It is
We had
so
it in the
chic.
plain black last year, right? Yeah.
We did, yeah. And I think we did it in the eggplant. It was
Eggplant.
like an eggplant purple. It was stunning.
But the taffeta wasn't crushed like this.
No, the black fabric in this line is not crushed like this. They
No.
don't do it in black. They just do it in the colors.
I'm just looking at the cuff here. It's double-faced. It's a real cuff, which is important to me because I always like to cuff. So you can look at this cute
it up.
little
You got it
extra detail,
finished.
you know?
And pockets, really cool pockets.
They're really placed really cool.
And they pop out here so you get a little asymmetrical
Yeah.
lining there.
Yeah. And what's in the back?
Yeah, just a nice contour.
But it's, nicely contoured.
Yeah,
With these seams here. I always love that.
love it.
Your feminine lines come out.
Yes. So let's see here. I'm trying to find the pants. So we did the pants. Oh my goodness, ladies, in both colors. I cannot wait to style these up because it's going to look so fabulous. Look at these.
Oh,
These
my
are called
goodness.
elven pants.
Elven pants. Love.
So look how fabulous that is.
Oh, fantastic.
So here we go. I'm going to give you a little, so say you have that, and then this is where we love to curate the collection for you,
Look, Tess.
lovelies.
Oh, look.
Look, beautiful. So
And
then
then-
imagine, so they're crushed mesh.
Oh my.
Put the purple under.
Oh, yes.
How fabulous would that be?
Fabulous. Fabulous.
I can't wait. It's going to look so good.
Oh, to
Or
style
it
this?
all up. It's
And
going to be
these feel so
great.
nice too. It's a very nice mesh. And this
Yeah,
is
we-
an extra small.
We
so
had
it's-
these last year,
Yes, we
last
did.
few years.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, with the crushed mesh, they fit true to size.
Yeah. Polyester and spandex, yeah, but
Yeah,
beautiful
beautiful.
polyester. I got one last year and I was very comfortable in it.
Yeah. So pants.
Beautiful.
So
Here,
if we
where's
get
that little top?
the little vest.
Oh my gosh, Tessa.
So look at that, ladies.
Oh,
and
look
what a
at-
cool pant this is.
What?
It's got pockets.
Yeah,
Flat front here, elastic in the back.
pockets and an amazing detail at the cuff, right? At the leg.
And then look.
Oh, monochromatic.
And then you could do the purple on
Yes,
that.
easily.
Absolutely.
It's got a little purple hue comes out when you put this on there.
Yeah.
See?
The fabric is
It's
absolutely
like, they're miracle
dynamite.
fabrics.
They
Honest to God.
But you could put this
Look at
under and that would
oh,
be
I
such
love
a great
this
contrast.
color too. Yeah.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Everybody's like, keep going. What else? What else? So, of course, we did a black mesh. I might as well finish off the meshes.
Have to.
We did a black mesh. So, if you'd like more subdued, the black would look stunning over either color.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And then we did this amazing violet.
It
also a stunner.
Oh, my gosh.
Which would work too under that.
So fun.
Yeah.
So much fun.
And you just pick up the jewelry in the violet and then it'll be amazing.
A smashing outfit.
So we have here a jacket.
What is that, pray tell? Oh, Lordy B. I love that style.
Isn't that beautiful?
That is so feminine.
It's so feminine.
Oh.
This is in the flat
Look
black.
at the back. Oh my God, Tessa, I absolutely love it.
I know. Ladies, I'm sad to say though, because I saw the inventory sheet and they just sent us a medium, large, extra large in this jacket. So unfortunately there's no extra small or small. I don't know why they shorted us, but sometimes that happens when they're shipping out and who knows.
Yeah,
but,
who knows what happens, right?
But for those medium, large, extra large, it's
lucky
beautiful.
Day.
I'm gonna
look at
put that on tomorrow.
This detail on the cuff here. It's shirt. It's absolutely gorgeous.
It's so beautiful.
Well, we can't have it. We can't have it all.
Yeah,
we have so
I could
much
fit
already.
into that, but you might not.
No.
Okay, and then we have a beautiful other pant. So we have two pants in this box, and this is the second pant.
Ah, Tessa.
More of a pencil
slim,
pant,
yes.
slim.
With a seam in the front, double stitched, and the cutest, darlingest little slit at the bottom in the front.
Yeah, I know.
Can you imagine?
I know. This is going to be beautiful to dress up with everything.
Oh, I can't wait to do this, to style.
Yeah. It's amazing. All right. I feel like I'm all over the place here.
No, you're doing
great.
But it's
so exciting.
Keep it coming.
Look at this. This is like such a stunner.
Jeez. What is that? It's
so this is a shirt dress. You can wear a legging under it, ladies. Wear our tennis dress under it. You could wear the pencil pants under it. It's just absolutely fabulous.
Beautiful. Little yoke in the back.
You see and feel this fabric in person, it is like dynamite.
Yeah.
And look at the cute little cuffs.
Oh, the details and beautiful little buttons.
And at the bottom, they brought it in here with the design.
Oh yes, they put
like a little bit of a bubble.
Yeah. A seam
Can't
here.
wait to try it. I'm gonna snag that one tomorrow to
try
on. All right, and then we can't do it without a skirt.
Look at all the details on this too.
I know.
See, they took the bottom of this shirt dress, I mean, bubble-wise.
Yeah.
And then, are these functional? Yes,
yeah,
they are.
The pockets, yeah.
Wow. Yes, fantastic. Yeah. Oh, lovely. What is the waist like?
And then in the back, it's elastic.
Yeah.
And then the flat front.
They do this with all with the pants too, right?
It's a really nice look. And they're so comfy.
Yeah.
And just for sizing, ladies, this is a small. Sometimes, I don't know if we went to extra small in the skirt, but that would mean
extra small in these cases.
The pants. Yeah. Okay. And then there's a two-way zip here, which is kind of fun.
Yeah,
if you're wearing black leggings or you want to show a bit of leg, you can just bring it up a little bit. But this would look fabulous with the vest.
Oh, for sure.
And then maybe one of the purple
mesh tops.
Oh,
yes.
The color combos are unbelievable.
Here.
I know. Isn't that great? I hope you can see it well on the camera, ladies.
Yeah, really.
It just looks so beautiful.
It's just the textures are incredible with light. Look at this.
Yeah. So one more.
Okay. Yeah. Let's not forget these mesh tops underneath anything in your wardrobe, you know?
Yeah.
Underneath a blazer jacket, a jeans jacket, and a thin sweater that you like to layer up with.
And we've come across a lot of mesh tops, and these are beautiful.
These are the winners. Yeah.
They are beautiful. Yeah. The fabric is soft.
Yeah.
There's lots of elasticity.
Right.
So it stay true to size in it. Don't go up a size.
Yeah.
They're absolutely beautiful. Okay, last one is a dress out of the golden color. It's absolutely beautiful.
Gee, Tessa.
Look at how cool that is.
Oh, look at the adorable little sleeves.
Yeah, cutest little sleeves, little detail on the side. A little cowl neck.
Cowl.
Yeah. And a bubble.
Big pockets.
Big
and a
pockets.
bubble, but a low also, a low high.
High, low, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So you can wear it with leggings under. You could wear it with the pencil pants.
Yeah, cute
You
look.
can have one of the beautiful tops peeking through.
Yeah,
and
the
or
mesh top,
pinks.
right?
Yeah. It would be stunning.
Oh.
We're gonna have fun tomorrow. We are gonna
Wow.
be styling these up for you lovelies and showing you the outfits on. And don't be afraid of the taffeta because you can easily dress it down.
You mean in terms of, yes, in terms of it being too dressy.
These are everyday
Yeah.
items.
Everyday items.
And then you can, you know, pair them up and make them dressy for events.
Exactly.
And I feel like that's what we're all about too. Less is more, right? We had a lovely lady in the other day, Mona. Hello, Mona. She came in to purchase a dress for a wedding that her, I don't know if it was her son or her daughter. Sorry, Mona, I forget. And she said, I just want a dress that I can wear again, which is so smart.
Yeah.
Like that's what you want to do, you know?
Yeah.
You want to have items, not items that you're just wearing for an event and sitting in your closet.
No.
So these, pair them up with jeans, you know, make them
Sweaters,
relax.
depends, with big
Chunky,
sweaters.
bulky sweaters, the dog walking sweaters, absolutely stunning. You know, you could wear this with black leggings and put our black boxy sweater over.
Oh gosh,
and just, you know, with a chunky necklace, and you're all set.
Yeah.
And so it doesn't have to be so dressy.
No.
And then you could throw in some Malabar and dress it up. All right, lovelies.
Okay, well, you did a great job. High five.
Fun, eh?
Wow.
Don't you love it?
Love.
Oh, this is like Christmas every day.
And very smart, like everything is interchangeable, which I love.
Yeah, it's a beautiful collection, and you could buy a piece or a few pieces and you're all set. Or just get a basic that can go in your wardrobe. It's no brainer.
Very well done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. All right,
So,
ladies.
what's tomorrow?
We're going to be here styling this
Oh,
up.
of course. How can I forget?
I'm so excited.
Wow. I'm
All right.
thrilled. Okay.
Awesome. Well, hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, please let us know.
And as always, keep on smiling.